So once again, good morning, students. In the last class,
Good morning, ma'am.
we were discussing about the menstrual cycle. It's not it. So in the menstrual cycle, how many phases are there? Let's take a quick revision. How many phases?
Ma'am, four phase, ma'am, four.
Four phases. Can you name them? Can you
Ma'am,
name?
menstrual phase,
Huh.
after then follicular phase,
Hmm.
after then luteal phase,
Hmm. You
after then
you say accordingly.
ma'am, ovulation phase. Ma'am, ovulation phase.
You say accordingly, not like haphazard way, no? Like not like upside down. Like you say systematically. Like did you
Ma'am,
understand?
first one is the menstrual.
Huh.
Second is the ovulation.
Okay. Are you sure?
Third one is the
Okay, let me show again. This one. First is menstrual. You should know it accordingly. Not like you will see ovulation first, luteal second, last menstrual. No. You should not say like that. You should mention accordingly. Did you understand? Like face to
yes,
face.
ma'am.
Okay, menstrual. First is menstrual. Second is follicular. Third is ovulation. Fourth is luteal. So these are the four phases. You all should name it accordingly. Not like follicular you will be up. Like not like that. Please don't say like that. Okay, everyone? Did you understand? Yes or
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Okay, so today we will be discussing about the luteal phase. So in the luteal phase, what happens? In the ovulation phase, what happens? The egg is already fertilized. It's not it like it's getting ready to get fertilized. Here, in the menstrual cycle, what happens? I mean, during this phase, that is in the ovulation phase, even the woman or else the female is like they can get pregnant. Okay. So in the luteal phase, that is the last phase, what will happen? The follicle they will release, or else you can say they will give egg, and this it will change into what corpus luteum, which is this. Did you get it? Corpus luteum, and this structure they release. This structure means what? The corpus luteum they release hormones. So what are the name of the hormones? The name of the hormones are progesterone and estrogen. And what happens here? In the rise, I mean the increase in these hormones. What will happen is the hormones are getting active, or else you can say the hormones are getting like uh, risen up. What will happen? The uterine lining, which is this. This is the uterine lining. Okay. So the uterine lining, it will become thick. It will become larger or else greater in size. And what happens here in that case, what will happen in that case? The egg will be ready. The egg will be ready to fertilize. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is not clear, say I'll repeat again.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Others, can you all hear me? I mean, it's breaking or it's fluent. Clear, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kaustubh,
Yes, ma'am.
you change your position. Then I think you are having some network issues. Did you understand luteal phase?
Ma'am, can you repeat it once?
Okay. So in the luteal phase, which is the last phase in the menstrual cycle, what happens? The follicle, na? The follicle, they will release egg, E-double-G egg, where they will release egg into the corpus luteum. This is the corpus luteum. Okay. And in this corpus luteum, what will happen? The corpus luteum corpus luteum, they will release hormones. I mean, they will make hormones. They will produce hormones. So what are the name of those hormones? The name of the hormones are progesterone and estrogen. And these two hormones, it is the progesterone and estrogen, what they will do, they will help the uterine. This is the uterine, so that they will become thick, or else you can say so that they will become larger or greater in size. Why? Because the egg will be fertilized. I mean, they will make the egg fertilized. They will make the egg in such a way that it will be able to get fertilization. You understand? So that they will be able to grow. Did you understand now, Smita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what happens here, if the woman, or else you can say if the female gets pregnant, they will produce, or else you can say they will make hormone. What is the name of that hormone? Human chorionic gonadotropin. So it is also known as you should write this one as this one, small letter H, capital letter C, capital letter G. Okay, so this is the name of the hormone. And what will happen here in this, if they produce this kind of hormone, they will means what will happen? They will help, or else you can say they will maintain the corpus luteum to keep the uterine lining thick. Means in general, you can say that they will make the corpus luteum active, so that they can function, or else you can say they can maintain their function properly. Is it clear till here?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
menstrual cycle? Okay.
Ma'am,
Huh?
what is corpus luteum?
Corpus luteum is the name. I mean the follicle, na? The follicle, when they will release the egg, it will change into corpus luteum, which you will find in
Okay,
this.
ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Or else you can say the corpus luteum is the part of the endocrine gland. Understand? So the endocrine gland, I'm repeatedly saying endocrine gland, they make what? Endocrine gland, they make what? Asim? I'm saying it repeatedly.
मैम वॉइस अच्छे से नहीं आ रहा, मैं थोड़ा स्लो आ रही है.
Babli, can you tell me? Endocrine gland, they makes what? Who knows the answer? Who knows the answer? What happened? Nobody knows the answer.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
I
Bone
was
create
saying
and
that
release
endocrine
hormone, ma'am.
gland, they makes what? Endocrine gland.
Ma'am, create and release hormones.
Hormones, yes. They makes hormones. I'm repeatedly saying this. You please keep it in your mind. Don't forget, okay? And this corpus luteum, it is the part of the endocrine gland. And they will release, this corpus luteum, they will release some hormones. What is the name of the hormone? The name of the hormones are progesterone and estrogen. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
Manisha,
ma'am.
are you clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't forget. Okay. So we are done with the female reproductive system. We are also done with the menstrual cycle. So now we will discuss about the male reproductive system. So this is the picture of the male reproductive system. Okay. So this is the male reproductive system, and in the male reproductive system, what will you find? You will find some structures, or else you can say some organs. So this is the picture. So first structure, what will you find? First is the penis. This one. Can you see it? I'm moving the arrow. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
so the name is this, penis. And next is testicles. So this is testicles. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is epididymis. This one. Epididymis. This one. This one. So this is the epididymis. Next is vas deferens. This one. This one. Vas deferens. This one. This pipe-like structure, no? It's pipe-like. This one. Vas deferens. Next is the prostrate gland. So this one. So this is the prostrate gland. Is it clear? So these are some important parts, you can say, of the male reproductive system. I'll repeat again. First structure or else organ that you will find is the penis, this one. Next is testicle, which is this. Next is epididymis, which is this one. Next is the vas deferens, which is this, vas deferens. Next is prostrate gland, which is this. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so now let us see one by one what is the function, what is the role of all this. Okay, so first is penis, which is this. So penis, what do they contain or else consist? Like tissue is there. Means in the penis, tissue is there. All right, they are made up of tissue. And this tissue, they are filled. I mean, what is filled? Blood. Blood is filled in this penis. And during coitus, do you know the meaning of coitus? C-O-I-T-U-S? Anybody? Anyone? C-O-I-T-U-S? Okay, no reply. I guess it's a no. Okay, so coitus means during sex. Okay? Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
So during sex, what happens? Or else when sexual arousal. Do you know the meaning of sexual arousal, everyone? What happened? All are quiet.
When the feeling turned out sexually.
Yes, exactly. Like when they will feel like having sex, that one is known as coitus arousal. So what will happen at this time? What will happen? The penis. This is the penis, right? They will get erect. Erect means, matlab straight hoga. Matlab it will become hard. Did you understand? Did you understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next is testicles. This is the testicles. All right. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the testicle. It is also known as testis. T-E-S, T-E-S. Okay, what happens here? What will you find in the testicle? You will find that there is a small oval sex glands. They are not that very large, and like means they are small, and the shape is like oval. Do you know oval? O-V-A-L, oval. Do you know or not oval? Is this thin a yes or no?
No, ma'am.
You don't know oval. Oval means circle type. Circle, you know, I guess, circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's just like circle, but it's not exactly circle. It's a bit, what to say, thinner than the circle. Circle, it's fat. I mean, it's a bit white, no? Yeah, it's a bit white. But this oval, no, it's thin compared to circle. So the structure is like that. I mean, they are like oval in shape. Did you get it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it's like that. And this testicle, where they are located? They are located in the skin. I mean, under the skin sac, which is called scrotum. Can you say this? Scrotum, scrotum. This one. Huh?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the scrotum. I mean, this testicle. This is the testicle. They are covered. They are covered by a I mean, skin sac. I mean, it's again covered with a skin sac, which is called the scrotum, scrotum. And here, what happens in the testicle? Sperm. We have discussed, no, like the matured sperm will go and enter in the uterus. We have discussed, no. So what happens? The sperm are made by this testicle. The sperm and also as well as the sex hormones are made under this testicle. So this is the testicle. They are made under this. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll repeat again. So
Yes,
this is the testicle, also known as testis. And what happens here? They are small. Okay, they are small and they are like oval in shape. And what happens here? The testicle, they are covered. They are covered by a skin sac, which is called the scrotum, scrotum, this one. And inside this testicle, what will you find? You will find that sperm and as well as sex hormones, they are made. I mean, they produce sperm and as well as sex hormones. Is it clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next is epididymis, which is this, which lies just above this one, no, testicle. So this is the testicle. So this is the epididymis. This one. So they lie just above this. I mean, just at the upper side. This epididymis. So epididymis, what will you find here? You will find that they are like a small tube. Okay, they are like a small tube, and they're attached. I've already said, now they're attached, or else you can, yeah, attached, or else you can say they lies above the testicle. At the back side of the testicle, they are situated, or else they are located. And the epididymis, what happens here in the epididymis? The sperm. Okay, the sperm are collected, and also the sperm are being stored here in this epididymis. Is it clear? All
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
yeah, all this will come in your exam, huh? Like who stores the sperm? Who stores the sperm? All this time in the female, sorry, not, in the male reproductive system, who stores the sperm like this type? So the answer will be what? The answer will be say.
Epididymis.
Very good. Epididymis. So the epididymis they store, and as well as they not only store, they collect the sperm also. Okay, next is the vas deferens, which is this vas deferens. Okay. So vas deferens, what will you find here in the vas deferens? The epididymis, which is this. If we will go upside, like above, right, the upper side, if we will go above this, it will eventually, or else you can say they will become the vas deferens. Okay, like you imagine in this way, like they're going up, up, and finally here, that is the vas deferens. And the vas deferens, you will find that they are larger tube. I mean, compared to this one, compared to this epididymis, this is the epididymis. Compared to vas deferens, the tube is larger. Okay, that is the vas deferens. And what happens here? Means in the vas deferens, you will find that what do? They go and transport the sperm. I mean, whatever sperm is being made up, in the this one here, the testicle, and after that they will go to the epididymis. They will go up, and finally vas deferens. So the vas deferens again they will go and transport the sperm to where? to the urethra. Urethra. Do you remember urethra you got in the excretory system? It's not here, but urethra. Do you remember? Last is the urethra.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will go and transport there. The picture is not there, but you all remember the excretory system. So I think you all will. It's not new to you all. It's not it. So it will go and transport there, or else you can say the sperm, they will go and get stored up there. That is in the urethra. Is it clear about the vast difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, next is prostrate gland. It is also known as accessory sex gland. ACCESSORY. ACCESSORY. Accessory sex gland. Okay, so in this accessory sex gland, what will you find? You will find some gland. What are the name of those? Prostrate gland. This is the prostrate gland, and as well as seminal vesicle, which is this, which lies above the prostrate gland. Seminal vesicle. Okay, so these two, what do they do? This prostate gland and the seminal vesicle, or else you can say this gland, they helps in nourishing the sperm. They will make the sperm active. They will make it healthy. You can say that, nourish. They will contribute something like they will contribute what, fluid to the sperm, so that they will become nourished, so that they will become healthy. Is it clear? All these are important. Okay, like
Yes, ma'am.
all
Yes,
these are
ma'am.
important. What does the accessory sex glands does? What does the vast difference does? All this might come in your exam. So all these are some few points, or else some role of all these this one structures. Is it clear? Shall we move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if I'll ask you, will you be able to answer? Okay. Titus, am I audible, Titus? Titus, what happened? No response. Harissa? 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 Suraksha? Suraksha, am I audible? Okay, Suraksha, can you tell me the male reproductive system, the parts? What are the parts? By seeing the picture itself, you say.
Testicle,
Say. I'm listening, say.
penis,
Hmm?
epididymis,
What? What, Diam? Can you please repeat again, Suraksha? What did you say? Okay, Snee, am I audible? I think her network is not good. Snee? Snee? Snee Suchiang, am I audible? I can't hear you. Okay, Smita. Smita,
yes, ma'am.
okay, can you please continue what Suraksha has said?
Ma'am, penis,
हाँ
testicles
हाँ
or testis,
हाँ
and epididymis,
हाँ epididymis
epididymis, vas deferens,
हाँ
and prostrate gland, ma'am.
okay, very good. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
next Siti de Burma. Am I audible? Am I audible? Yeah, I hear your voice. Okay, next Shilunok. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shilunok, can you tell me the function of this that is testicle?
Ma'am, what?
The function of testicle. What does the testicle does? What do they do? Okay, you just tell me um, which gland. Can you understand? I mean, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Others, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I not audible, Shilunok? Hello? Okay, Shilin. Shilin? Pin Krao Biang.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pin Krao Biang. Can you please tell me what is the name of the gland which nourish the sperm?
Uh, Seminar vesicle.
Anything else?
What, ma'am?
Anything else?
Uh,
Did you miss some point? Anyone? Do you remember?
Ma'am, prostate gland, ma'am.
Yes, prostrate gland. Did you hear that? Pin Krao Biang.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, seminal vesicle and prostrate gland. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, so who helps in transporting sperm? Epididymis. For her, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me who helps in transporting the sperm, which is in epididymis? ना मैंने
Hello, ma'am.
बोला था ना कि ऊपर चला जाएगा, तो कहाँ पे चला जाएगा?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question, ma'am?
Okay. Who helps in transporting the sperm that is from the epididymis? This is the epididymis.
Ma'am,
It will go upside.
ma'am, vas different.
Pardon?
Vas different.
Vas deferens. Okay, very good. Okay, after vas deferens, where will it go? कहाँ पे चला जाएगा?
Ma'am, urethra.
Not urethra. Urethra.
Ma'am, urine.
Not urine.
Urine.
Eh? Urethra. You say? Repeat after me. Urethra.
Urethra.
अच्छा ठीक है. अभी समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Good. Okay, then that's all for today's class. I hope you all like. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Acha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next day, that is, yeah, the next day we will discuss about this. We have almost completed, only these two parts are left. Okay, then that's all for today's class. Thank you, everyone.